Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix playback error on the Twitter. So how you can fix this error if you are facing this, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to tap a while on the Twitter application, go to the info button. Once you will do it, now go to the storage and the cache. Simply you can clear your cache from here and try to fix the playback error. Maybe your error will be resolved. If it's not, simply go back, open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the Twitter. Once you will search for it, simply you can update your Twitter application from here if it's not updated. So this is the way to fix playback error on the Twitter. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.